Hello everyone and welcome back to Fun Mathology. Now today's topic is how to add decimals. Now this is the part 11 of the decimal series. Now in our last video we have learned how to convert decimals to fractions. Now today we'll learn how to add decimals easily. Now just by keeping one golden rule in mind. Got it? What is that golden rule? Align the decimal points. Align the decimal points. So let's have a closer look at the steps. So before moving on to how to add decimals and show you some examples, and now let's go through certain steps. Now step 1 is, always remember, convert the decimal numbers into like decimals. Now we have already learned that how to do that by adding zeros to equalize the decimal places. You have learned it, students. Now once you have done that, go to step 2, write the numbers vertically. Got it? And always keep that golden rule in mind. Align the decimal point. Decimal point aligned. Step 3 is add as normal numbers as you do. And step 4, in the answer, align the decimal points. Got it? So let's take some examples and let's see how how to apply these steps while you work out the problems. Now example 1. So we'll take add, let's say you have been given a question like add 7.15 and 3.544, right? So step number 1 is convert this. So convert this into like decimal. So 7.15 converted to like decimal will be 7.150. Got it? Now just align it. So this is the decimal point, align it. 3 point, see, align the decimals vertically. So we have written two numbers vertically by aligning the decimals. Okay, now you can add after you have converted into like decimals. You have arranged the numbers vertically, keeping the decimal points aligned, add as normal. So 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now in the answer align the decimal point. So decimal point here. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. So answer will be, see, 10.694. Let's take another example. Example 2. See, add 8.2 and 9.840. So student, what to do? Apply the steps. First of all, convert. So we need to convert 8.2 to like decimals because 9.840 has 3 digits after the decimal. So once it is converted, so it becomes 8.200. This is equivalent decimals that you have learned. Now what we need to do after conversion, write the numbers vertically. So we'll write the numbers vertically, keeping in mind the golden rule, that is, keep the decimal points aligned. See, now add as normal. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 0 is 4, 8 plus 2 is 10. Now remember 1 is carried over, so write 1 here and put this decimal in the answer. Align it vertically. Now 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 1 is 18. So your answer will be 18.040. Okay. So I guess this is a very simple steps. I guess you have followed my steps in the lectures, and I'll give you a question to do, in a home. So it's a homework, right? So your homework will be add. So this is homework, student. Add 14.35 plus 6.405 plus 0.65. Try this at home. Okay. In the next class we'll be taking how to subtract decimals. Okay, I guess you have followed my lectures. Thanks for watching, students. We'll soon meet. Bye bye.